Because you're gay, bro. Can you can you just
Boy! Boy!
no you're not you're
I'm
not.
going MEB, but it's not fucking me the
Oh my god, okay, just shut up. Just shut up.
Yeah! Oklahoma!
So man, it's pistachio. We're going to the freaking hell. You shit the fucking you're gonna oh, yeah.
You know what? You know what? Shut the fuck up, you bitch.
Yes, you're going to pick your freaking stuff if you want to freaking shit us the hell motherfucker.
I'm a dolphin!
Are okay?
Oh my god! Someone is a donkey!
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm a donkey!
Are okay, bro?
Ah!
Are you free?
Ah!
Are freaking
Ah! Shut the
you
hell up!
you shut up the hell up. You know what was starting.
Blah, 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 blah.
Alright, yeah,
You
alright,
shut the hell
okay.
up. I bless you.
Now
I
you're the
bless
one.
you. Who bless you for God?
You're the one who blessed
Who
us with
bless
the
you for
freaking
God?
gun. Now you're the one who blessed us with the gun. If you
No!
want,
You
go. No, you're gonna pray. You're gonna pray the Lord. You're gonna pray the Lord, bro. Yes, yes, you going to pray the Lord, bro. What the freaking you did it, the man? If you don't, okay, just stop. You're gonna pray the Lord. You're gonna pray the Lord. All right, you have prayed the Lord every time, bro. Man, whether you shut or like rather just start the like skip it toilet if you want to freaking
Why
pray
I
like
can't fly?
no, you're
Why
not.
I can't
You're not
fly?
so hungry after you pray the Lord.
Yeah!
Okay, stop freaking screaming right now. If you scream lot more, I'm not gonna bless you, bro. I'm not gonna bless you.
God bless you, bro. I'm
No,
appreciating
you
for
too
the God
man.
who bless
You too man. If you wanna know God
you.
bless you freaking now you're the one who blesses me, bro. I'm going to feed your mama sahur.
Try them.
Triangle! Triangle! Triangle!
Oh, mama. Why can I climb back?
Hello! Kaya please you shut up! As many times every
God
time!
bless you, my brother.
The voice
God
doesn't
bless.
work. Yo! Yo! If you don't want what you freaking like a mama, your mama sour is really bad if you wanna shit on self but self you wanna freaking shit. Yes you wanna freaking like your mama. Yo mama bro. Bro, you think you just made the free self bro. If you don't want really just wanna really just bro. Bro, really just made the free self bro. Just play like any game. Nah, bro, I know you're not good. You're not. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, just freaking me, bro. Okay, back. I'm back. I'm back for no reason. Holy lag. Holy lag. Shut up, you freaking pepper. Oh my god, I'm freaking so laggy, man. Mama. Yo, mama. Yo, mama. I just think Riley starting. He's just playing along stuff. So, goodbye guys. So, this is the end of video right now. I think my classes what dollar is sending a